Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, power third passenger door, privacy glass, fourth passenger door. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.